In this video, we will be talking about how to reset the thin client OS to factory defaults. Now, there are two ways of doing this. The first one being the easiest one. Once your thin client is booted up, you're going to scroll down to the left-hand corner of the screen and click on Configuration. You will now see a password prompt pop up on your screen. Type in your set password or the general password admin to get in. Once your password is in, you will see a menus options on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to scroll down to Factory Defaults, click it, and then click Reset. You have now successfully reset the thin client OS to factory defaults. Now, the second way to reset the factory settings on your thin client OS. You will need to hold down Shift and tap Ctrl on your keyboard while the thin client is in reboot mode. This will enable a text-based prompt to appear on your screen. Once you see the text-based prompt, you are going to type in the word yes to continue. After you have typed in yes, the thin client will now be reset to factory settings.